Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to change Facebook page name. So let's get started. First thing, just log into your Facebook page, and to the rightmost top you are having that 3 lines icon. Click it, and here as you can see, football fans is my Facebook page name. Here just scroll down, we will be having settings and privacy. Expand it. Here click on settings. In settings, just scroll down again, we are having the page setup. Click it, and the first option is name. Click that, and we'll be having a text field to edit the Facebook page name. And there is a note over here: if you change our Facebook page name, it cannot be changed again after 60 days. So make sure that you are double checking before changing it. So let me just go with this name and click on review change. So it shows the current page name and the new page name, and give submit for approval. So as you can see, after closing and opening my Facebook app, the new name has been given. That's a video guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.